usually the beat up raggedy piles of shit are the ones that run the best. In this episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we pick up a 2003 Chevy Silverado.
Your destination is on the right.
Hey, good morning.
Morning, how are you?
Picking up ACV? Yeah, I'm not sure if I'm in the right place. They used to have the names of the dealers on there. Now there's no more names, just address. Should be a Silverado. Used to say Ford, GM, or Hyundai, or whatever on the slips. Not anymore. Okay. Where's it located?
It should be right up top.
Right up top? Awesome. Thank you. Can I drive
Park
up?
right on the side there.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, you can probably just walk up and pull it down.
Okay.
Probably make it easier on you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Load it right there, it's fine.
I appreciate it.
It's all in there. Far corner on top. You'll see.
Do you know if it starts or not? Not sure.
As far as I know, it does.
Okay.
I don't know if it's not.
Awesome. Thank you. Hey, what's up? All right. They put it all the way in the back. That is a pile of shit. Alright. $7.25 stickers. One man's junk is another man's treasure. There should be $1,000 profit in this junk. Things I do to make money. Actually sounds good. V6 4x4. Alright. Truck up a little bit. Looks raggedy, but I can make money on that. Shit, my strap is dragging all that way. I'm gonna have to order new ones. Alright, locked and loaded. Let's head back to the Hoopty headquarters. Alright, we're back. Let's take this Hoopty for a ride. See how it runs. Don't look too bad. It's got nice tires on it. Rusty as hell, but alright, let me unload it. We'll be right back. Alright, so it's definitely a work truck. Temperature's good. It's got gas. Some miles. It's got 212. Usually the beat up raggedy piles of shit are the ones that run the best. That motor sounds good. Oh yeah. A little 4.3 V6. Sounds good. Training feels good. Going through all the gears. Oh yeah. Feels like the AC works. That's a good thing. Let's through all the gears, no slipping. I think I did good. So I paid $450 for it, plus tow. Yeah, I'll probably put it for $19.99 or $16.99. It all depends. Probably $2,000. No overheating. Good oil pressure. Somebody took a chunk of the steering wheel off, but it doesn't matter. It's a work truck. All right, let's put it in the back until the title comes. And then when the title comes, I'll tow it down to the Hoopty headquarters. Put it for sale. Alright guys, there you go. It's going to be $19.99. It's a little rusty, but it runs good. It's got good inspection. V6, 2-wheel drive. It was a good buy. Alright, stay tuned.